Nine is going to present you about the endangered and extinct species in Himachal Pradesh.
About 22% to 47% of the plant species are endangered in this world. More than 600 species of plants have been extincted. Some plants like Assasicium, Rathanjot and Mohar are some of the plant species that are extinct in Himachal Pradesh.
Several reasons for the plants for becoming extinct like global warming, habitat destruction, specialization on particular soil or rock pollinators for dispersers and ant dispersed seeds. Not only the plants but even the animals of Himachal Pradesh are endangered. Various species of animals like western tragopan, Himalayan musk deers, red-headed vulture, golden mahasses, cheer peasants and Himalayan serows are becoming rare and there is a serious need to take action for their protection.
After which can be reasons for or their extinction can be human as well as nature. Activities like axis hunting, deforestation and habit loss are responsible for the vulnerability of animals. Both plants and animals have their importance in the ecosystem. Plants provide our food, material for shelter, fuel to warm us and replenish the air we breathe. Plants for animals are important to us and that species should not be there or endangered as we are sometimes unable to know the benefit we could have derived from that species.
So today I am going to speak out about the extinct and endangered species which are found in and near Himachal Pradesh. Firstly is the Assasocium and it belongs to the family Asteraceae and it is a vulnerable species. And secondly is the Allium strategii and it is found in the family Alliaceae and it is also a vulnerable species. And thirdly is the Sosia bractata and it's the rare species. And fourthly is the Sosia costus and it is an endangered species. These both species include in the family of Asteraceae. And lastly is the Barbaris apiculata and it is found in the family Barbariaceae and it is also a rare species. Thank you.
I am here to say some of the extinct species or the endangered species in Himachal Pradesh. The western trogopan is a medium-sized brightly plumed pheasant found along the Himalayas from the northern east districts of the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province in the northern Pakistan in the west to Uttarakhand within the India to the east. Species is the highly endangered and globally threatened. The white-billed musk deer or the musk deer is a musk deer species occurring in Himalayas of the Nepal, Bhutan, India, Pakistan and China. It is listed as endangered species on the IUCN Red List because of overexploitation resulting in the portable serious population. It is previously considered as the subspecies of the alpine musk deer, but was separated on the basis of the different skull proportion.
Let us all take an oath to protect our environment for preventing further extinction.